In the world of modern construction and demolition, towering structures are no longer challenges for human strength alone, but the playground of colossal machines. Massive steel arms stretching dozens of meters into the sky, hydraulic jaws that crush concrete like paper, and power capable of toppling entire buildings in hours. Today, we dive into the top 10 largest and most powerful demolition machines in the world. Monstrous giants that are redefining the demolition industry. Starting at number 10, we have the JCB JS370HRD, widely known as the Urban Demolition Assassin because of its maneuverability and speed. This machine isn't the largest in the lineup, but it's built specifically for densely populated city areas where super heavy equipment cannot be deployed, with a flexible high-reach boom, an advanced vibration reduction system, and a dust-protected operator cabin. The JS370HRD demolishes mid-rise concrete structures with precision. Its sensors and load monitoring system keep each cut controlled, preventing accidental collapses in tight environments.
As is the Doosan DX800 High Reach.
A machine frequently used to tear down buildings from 10 to 20 stories tall, weighing 72 to 80 tons. The DX800 features an extended boom, a large hydraulic tank, and a high-pressure hydraulic system capable of powering extremely heavy demolition shears. It's especially popular because it delivers impressive power at a lower cost than many competitors like Komatsu or Caterpillar, making it a strong and budget-friendly choice for heavy demolition contractors. The Volvo EC750E High Reach is known for blending massive strength with excellent fuel efficiency, with a reach of about 38 meters and a quick coupler system. The machine can switch between a bucket, crusher,
shear,
or hammer in just minutes. This turns the EC750E into a multi-purpose weapon on any demolition site. Its tilting cabin, capable of angling upward by 30 degrees, gives operators a clear and safe view of upper floors during high-reach demolition. Originally designed for mining, the Caterpillar 6015B becomes a true demolition monster when fitted with a heavy-duty shear, weighing over 140 tons and delivering extreme breakout force. It's capable of crushing building foundations, thick concrete slabs, and large steel beams with ease. Contractors often deploy the 6015B for dismantling old factories, industrial structures, and any site with massive reinforced concrete. The Sennebogen 870E is a favorite in industrial demolition projects such as warehouses, plants, and large steel structures. Its signature feature is the elevating cabin, rising several meters above the ground, giving operators a commanding view over the entire demolition zone. Combined with a long boom, a wide track frame, and an automatic balance system, the 870E delivers both stability and precision even on uneven terrain. Brokk 900 may not be physically massive, but it holds the title as the most powerful demolition robot ever made, remotely operated. The Brokk 900 enters environments unsafe for humans. Collapsed structures, underground tunnels, contaminated industrial zones, radioactive sites. Its compact size hides a brutal hydraulic power unit, capable of outperforming excavators several times its size. When it comes to dangerous demolition work, no human or machine gets closer than the Brokk. Hitachi's ZX870 LCR is designed with one goal: maximum stability during high-reach demolition. With a reach of up to 40 meters, Hitachi strengthened the undercarriage and widened the track frame to prevent tipping when lifting heavy demolition attachments high above the machine. Its high-pressure hydraulic system powers massive steel-cutting shears with outstanding consistency, making it ideal for reinforced concrete and heavy industrial structures. The Komatsu PC1250 is one of the most trusted machines in professional demolition fleets across Asia and Europe. With nearly 40 meters of reach and exceptional hydraulic precision, it can dismantle high-rise buildings safely from the top down, especially in crowded urban zones where explosive demolition is not allowed. Renowned for durability and reliability, the PC1250 can operate continuously for long shifts without performance loss. The Liebherr R 980 Demolition is among the heaviest demolition excavators ever built, weighing an enormous 190 tons with a towering 55-meter reach. Its X-frame undercarriage provides rock-solid stability, even when supporting massive demolition tools at extreme heights. This machine is engineered for giant industrial projects, power plants, massive factories, large refineries, where only the most powerful equipment can handle the job. Claiming the top spot is the legendary Kobelco SK3500D, the tallest demolition machine in the world. With an incredible 65-meter reach, equivalent to a 20-plus story building. Built in Japan,
this SK3500D features
an ultra-wide heavy-duty undercarriage, a multi-stage super long boom, a smooth yet extremely powerful hydraulic system, oversized crushers and shears designed for high-altitude demolition, designed for dismantling high-rise hotels, apartment complexes, and office buildings in dense urban areas. The SK3500D performs surgical top-down demolition with unmatched safety and precision. It is the undisputed king of high-reach demolition. And that wraps up the top 10 largest and most powerful demolition machines in the world. The steel giants reshaping how we bring down massive structures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next deep dive into the world of mega machines. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.